Hi, my name is Jackie Johnson. I am a member as well as an employee of Amida Care. At Amida Care, I'm an office assistant for the members events team. Amida Care is a non-for-profit Medicaid healthcare plan. Amida Care provides coverage for those living with HIV, AIDS, mental health, and homeless, as well as we now provide coverage for the transgender community. Amida Care treats their members, you might as well say, as a family. Amida Care makes sure that their members have the health coverage that they are entitled to. They make sure such small things as making sure that you're taking your medications, making sure that you're okay with your doctor, checking up, little things like making sure that you can make it to your doctor's appointments, because I mean that's a struggle for some of our members. Also too, one thing that Amida Care does is that we have a program which is called the Live Your Life event. The Live Your Life event brings our members together because I mean you have to look at, we live in NYC. There are some people that don't have family or friends, and what Amida Care does is this great thing every month is that we have special events for our members where we bring our members together to make them feel, welcome, not just as a number, but to make them feel welcome. We also do our huge celebrations just for our members exclusive, which is pretty amazing. I thought that was very amazing when I was just a member of Amida Care, and I'm so proud to be a part of the events team now to bring smiles upon our members. Back in 2014, I moved to New York from Texas. One of my mom's main concern was me finding health coverage that was adequate to the health coverage that I had in Texas. I was at a Housing Works, just doing an intake, and I ran across Amida Care's brochure. I was intrigued about it, so did some reading on it, as well as called the 800 number. They explained the plan in great detail, so I decided to join the same day. Amida Care for me has been life-changing. And I know some might say, how is that being that it's just an insurance provider? But as I stated, Amida Care is way so much more than that. Amida Care has helped me just be at one with myself, being able to really truly accept that I am HIV positive, which was some difficulties that I had in the past. Amida Care made sure that I had good coverage, made sure I got matched up with a doctor that I was comfortable with. They made sure that I had my vision, my dental, everything in play to make sure that I was healthy. Describing Amida Care in 3 words, I would have to say dependable, loyal, and professional. To me, Amida Care is dependable because that's the first thing that you look for within a company when you're dealing with your health. And Amida Care is just that. From being able to call the 1-800 number and to get all of your questions answered. And what's so unique about Amida Care, if they don't know the answer right then, they make sure that they do the research and get back with you in a timely manner to make sure that all your questions and concerns are taken care of. If you're at the doctor's office, the least thing that you want on your mind is to be thinking about having to pay a high bill. Amida Care assures you that they're going to take care of it. They're going to make sure that the doctor have everything that they need in a timely manner to make sure that everyone is on board. Amida Care is loyal because, for one, they stick behind their members. Amida Care really never just looks at a member as a number that is on their screen. They take great concern in their members. They want to make sure that your overall health is taken care of. And that's what you want. You want loyalty. You don't want to be with an insurance company and you're wanting something paid or taken care of and then it's not. So that's key. I say professional because Amida Care makes sure that they have all the information that is needed to provide the best care for you. Just use me as an example. I had Hep C, and as many know that for a while there was no cure for Hep C. With joining Amida Care, they not only linked me with a Hep C specialist, the doctors on board, they made sure, the pharmacy department made sure, because it was like a mix up with the medication, HIV medication that I was taking. They wanted to make sure that my HIV meds did not affect the new Hep C treatment. They walked me through it. I had my caseworker from Amida Care give me a call just to make sure everything was going smoothly, to make sure if I had any questions or concern that they were there, which was awesome because I mean, this was all new to me, and Amida Care just made the whole process a lot easier for me to go through it. And I have to say, by the help of Amida Care, calling me, contacting me, just little things like making sure that I didn't have any side effects. If I did, they spoke with my doctor, they worked out, different strategies. And now, because of Amida Care, I'm Hep C free. Amida Care has impacted my life in such a positive way that words just cannot express. And the reason why I say this is because through Amida Care, being a member, they have made sure that I'm on top of my health, HIV, undetectable, and have been undetectable for many, many years, thanks to Amida Care making sure that I never have a lapse in my medication, make sure that the doctors, the pharmacy got funded to make sure that I was not out of medication. Amida Care has also provided me with job training. I mean, not many people can say that their health insurance plan provided them with training, and I'm so grateful for that. Another thing that Amida Care has done is it has allowed me to embrace who I am. And as an individual, as a black male that is HIV positive, I stand up for myself more. They also gave me just the courage to go back to school. I received my psychology degree at the beginning of this year, which I honestly don't think that would have been possible because I had my own self-doubt issues, and Amida Care just, even as an employee, they care, and it's not just a slogan that says that we go above and beyond. They really do, because I have not experienced this from any health plan out there, so yes, I would recommend Amida Care to any of my fellow friends that are dealing with HIV, AIDS, mental health, and I have already. I talk about this company as much as I can because this company is really awesome and what they do.